So Gala, this is your training video with the rubber band for your week, and I hope you will enjoy it. First step, you put the rubber band here on your legs and you begin with the one step touch. Nice, and breathe. Put your legs out and in. And if you want, you can jump, jump, jump. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And run, 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 run. If you run, put your arms near next to your body, upper body up, and run, 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 run. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and go down and up, down and up. Breathe. And 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Run and run. Breathe. It's getting warm. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and jump, 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 jump. Put your knees out and your feet. If you want, put your arms. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and deep. Up and down. Put your arms up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and your spine mobilize. Breathe. And come up. Shoulders back. Warm up your shoulders. One side and second side. And go running. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and go out. Like a V in the back side. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put your feet up and go in Superman. You can use also a step, deck, or a stair. And the other side. And relax. This is the first cut.